G'day guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a few little updates I've made to my Crimson Recon. At the moment I haven't got too much going on in the Nerf world for me. Been a little bit busy recently, so I just want to get this video out. I've just made a few internal updates to the blaster, and considering I use this blaster a lot in like war footage and stuff like that, I thought going over it would be pretty good so you guys know what's going on. So to start off with a few externals, up the front I now have a Blastertech Mark II Scar, and we'll get onto that a little bit later. But this Scar is really good. Love the Blastertech gear, the Blastertech Scars. I want to do a separate review for this product, but overall the Scars make your shot super accurate. Highly recommend going a 6-string over a 4-string Scar, and the porting is really good as well. Highly recommend this guy. And at the back I used to have a folding collapsible buttstock. Now I've got the Lightning Storm stock. It's just a whole lot lighter, and also it helps me with what's going on in here. So getting into the nitty gritty of what's actually changed on this blaster. So on the internals now, on the inside I now have the Power Stefan kit from Worker. Kind of ironic that I bagged them out in a couple of videos ago, but I really wanted to give these a go. The brass for me is just a little bit too finicky, and for stuff like this, the pushes are a lot more reliable. Now I'm making the conversion from full lengths to half lengths, and I've actually got some Jet Katana mags on order. And I'm really glad I picked this one up. I think it's worth it. The reliability you get, the consistency and accuracy out of this one is really good. So this guy's sitting around the 180 mark, which is what I'm really happy with. I can tune it down for super stock games, which I primarily use it at, and tune it up for NIC when I want to, with just depending on what spring I want to run. So as you can see, the receiver at the front, and then the Stefan breech coming through. So I'm a big Stefan kit believer. I like them a lot. Brass still has a place for me, especially with my air blasters. Brass will still always have a place in my heart, but for springers, I feel the push is just the way to go. Reliable, accuracy, and so much easier to install as well. Buying this over getting a brass breech, I'd probably get one of these any day of the week. My last touch to the blaster that's new is down here. Now I have installed a red artifact trigger. These guys aren't made anymore, and I'm really happy to have it, especially on a Crimson Recon. Then having the red artifact trigger with it is pretty special. So all the rare guys put into one blaster is pretty damn sweet, and I'm really happy with it. So that's about it for all the upgrades: stock, Scar, the internals, and the trigger. Just a few changes that make the blaster complete and what I'm really happy with. So let's take it outside and see how it goes. There you go guys, there's a nice firing demo of this one here. Really liking the Crimson at the moment. The consistency, reliability is what I was really going for in this blaster, and why I made the switch to a pusher. Who knows, might build an X-Zeus or a long shot. There's some pretty high performing blasters, and I do like the Springer platform. I love HPA, but the Springer platform is also good. That's it for this one guys. Let me know if you like me keeping you guys up to date with my blasters. If so, I can do it with everything that you see behind me. If you want to catch up with me when I'm not making videos, check out my Facebook, Instagram and Discord server in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one.